Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2014 Dodge Durango Limited all-wheel drive, stock number B9169P. 46,000 miles in this Durango, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, brilliant black in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Durango is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. This Durango seats 6, leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row, which are also heated. Rear climate control. Middle row seats will fold flat and tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 2. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. 50/50 split folding rear seat, folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, with additional underfloor storage, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, as well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, paddle shifters for when the 8-speed automatic transmission is put into manual mode, very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats along with heated steering wheel, great for those cold winter days, 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, and there's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often, USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices, 8-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter, lots of storage space in the armrest, a large glove box with all the overhead auto-dimming mirror, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and power liftgate control. Under the hood, this Durango has a 3.6-liter V6, 290 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and approximately 75% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB 9169P to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.